nothing more discouraging than rushing to grow a small account and getting nowhere. If that is the store, you're in the right place. Today I'm breaking down the pro that finally brought me results. Let's start with $23 and let's go. I'm be riding big surprise at the end of this video, guys. You stick around to find out what is this. So today we're gonna use only one indicator. Classic candles, 30 seconds on time frame. And what is that indicator? It's super trends. All right. We're gonna use with the full settings. That's very simple, 10 and 3. All right. The style is up to you. Click on save. And then, as I said, $23 that are gonna start with 1 minute on expiration time. And that's pretty good. So let's try to identify our first one. Okay. And I will explain it out. All right, guys. So for those that have interest on that, the link for the proxy options is on the description of the video. All right. So when the market starts to slow down in this area, as you can see right here, I see the green line appear. Okay, we don't have this right now, but that will create one. And this is a sign that demand is returning, like to revert. Okay, and I click on the up button and then expect action. What's simple. All right, when you got the green line and it reverts like this scenario right here, guys, we are getting to get revert. Okay, the price will like break out of this level and go higher. All right, and good start. I think so that right now the logic work is that one. We just need to wait for that. We got almost for this 5 seconds. All right, and look at this, almost there. Oh my god, that was so close. For $4, that is good one, guys. All right, that's pretty good. So let's continue. All right, guys. So now we have another situation. The market has dropped the 40 and reached the area versus the rise in the past. Okay, as the previous one, we got a good downtrend and just hit this mark. All right, and this zone is called its support level, where markets participants usually start to compare. Well, in parallel, the indicators have changed color from the red to green. That's pretty good. That's a confirmation that situation may change. And here I open a long position, expecting the price to pull back and start growing. Right, this is a clear signal, guys. We act calmly. We need to wait for that. And just so you know, this strategy is one of the many that can push you forward in a trade journey, guys. If the series about going pro, mastering the most profitable technique is a must. I've got 2 valuable results lined up just for you at the end, so stay tuned. And look at that, we just got this right now. Just was so close, almost a heart attack. Oh my gosh, and just make that $6 in the total. All right. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategies that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join. All right? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. So let's perform the last and another good position. Let's try to then find the next one. Okay, so let's go with that, guys. Let's go. All right, again, I press the buy button. As you can see, that is the same situation, right? The buy button again, hoping for confirmation of the upward movement. All right, everything is going according to the plan. We got a downtrend and just stay stable right here. It's like a lateral trend, all right, and hit support zone and go up again. Analysis and confirmation. The chart began stagnated. As I said, the price fluctuated around one mark, and this usually indicates that sellers and buyers are still undecided. And we can do that, all right. When the price approached the lower limit of this range again, the indicator turned green. And that's our situation right now. All right. Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it. We got now 5 seconds. That is still going up. That is easy one. And look at that, baby. 76 profit, 113. That's pretty good. Remember, it is important to stay calm and always consider the risks, guys. If you watch this video, it means you already started to wonder how you can approach your finances differently. And now it's important that you stay worried or tried something new. Not in theory, but in live format where everything exposed. I invite you to community where the trade is live every day to have access to practical sessions, a step-by-step explanation of actions and support from others who are always just starting the well. The link is on pinned in the comment, guys. Can close and see how everything works. Sometimes one step can be more than a month of waiting. Act right now with good profits, good operations, and see you around, guys, in our next live session, next video. Bye bye.